everybody, it's Debbie and I am keeping busy during this quarantine and painting away. And so again, I have mixed up a bunch of different paints and I have them all okay. I'm gonna go through the base. I'm gonna try to make sure I get this in the description, but I'll run through it real quick in case I forget. So in the base, for all the colorants except for the black and the white, and I have some of this like bronze. It's Joe Sanja's brown, brass, brass, brass. I'm gonna pour it. I'll make a mess before I even begin. Anyways, so, but all of my other colors are Liquidtex mixed with until it was mixable enough, and sometimes a couple drops of water. But the base for all the colors is untinted Valspar base 3 with I've got the container kind of right. With wax varnish. I don't know why this is so hard for me to tell you. Wax varnish, that is the oil base made for acrylics or latex, whatever you want to say. Okay, and I'm using straight white for the pillow, and I'm also using just titanium white, which the white and the black are just mixed with water. So I think that's the story for right now, for this round. Anyways, and I have a new silicone oil made by Super Lube. So we're gonna give this one a shot today. I have no idea what's going to happen, but anyways, I'm going to get started. So how many of you guys out there have been painting more than you would normally since you're home? In this quarantine? I guess I'm going to start with the white again because I got it out first. I think I'm going to use we'll see. I'm going to try to use more black and white this time. Maybe just a little bit of color. We'll see. Changed my mind. And I thought I seen something clumpy go down in there. Ugh. We'll find out. Okay, got some orange here. Maybe I better look at this a little. Stuff is already thickened up. Gosh dang it. I'm hoping it ain't too thick, and it might be. All right. Here's the bronze stuff. I've not used this before, so we're going to see what this is like. Boy, you know what? God, I hope this stuff isn't too thick. Yeah. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this just because it reminds me of when you're cooking and you put a lot of, you get it just the right consistency and put it on low and come back and it's super thick. This stuff, you turn your back on it and it's thick. Sometimes. Just using a couple drops of water at a time because I have added too much every once in a while. Let's see. Here's my black again. All right. The white. Okay. Okay, so this is just plain white house paint, Glidden Semi Gloss. There's not much left in there, so hopefully. Do I want to touch the corners a little bit? I'm just going to give them a little touch with the black, I think. On it. And here I am again. I have, I didn't make anything to catch the paint on the corners, which is usually a really good idea because, now I got to use my hands. I could use my things like I've done in the past. Who knows? I might do that this time. All right. Where's my... Get my torch ready. There goes. I have orange mixed up here. I think I forgot to add it in. Oh. Oh. Look at this. That's it. Bronze, very pretty, sitting there. I'm going to use these just to keep it from going off right now. Let's see. So since I really like this bronze color, I'm going to be very extra careful, try to. I'm moving it because I don't want it to, you know what? I don't want it rolling over on itself. So let's bring it back. And I am just going to add a little, maybe some white. Let's see, some white here, just because purple is starting to come out a little bit now. Oops, got a little bit more. All right, so now what do I want to lose and what do I want to keep? Not sure. Is that paint there? It is. You know what? I'm wondering, is there much white underneath this? Nope. I'm going to put a little stringy in there so it doesn't look so white. All right. Guess I did use the orange. Right there it is. I looked down, it looked kind of full. Must not have used too much. It needs something. It needs something before I get it all stretched out. So I was looking to see if I could scoop up some, there was a white trail underneath, but I guess I could wiggle it and see. Need something a little thicker maybe. I'm just thinking I don't know what I'm thinking. I needed something different, and so that was the first thing that came to my mind. If you guys have a suggestion, go ahead, let me know. If you yell it really loud, I might be able to hear you. I don't want to lose all that. I love that bronze color, so I guess we're just going to kind of drip it that way a little bit and see what we got. Oops. I'm wondering if I added, I think it's this white. Might need to be a little thinner, but I don't know what I want yet, so we'll find out. Sorry about that. It's slowing down on its movement, so we may be done moving it. I kind of like it like this. I think I'm happy with this. I don't like that. I don't know how I managed to get that. There we go. What do you guys think? It's got a lot of cool, it's got some cool things going on in it. Anyways, guys, thank you for stopping by. And hopefully you stay safe. And enjoy yourself painting. So, I appreciate you stopping by. And I will be back soon. Bye.